my equestrian friends, welcome back to another video. Today is December 9th and we are doing an unboxing or opening of the Effol Equestrian Advent Calendar. If this is your first time here, I'm Lisa. I'm the budget equestrian, where I make videos showing you how to make the most of the time that you have with your horse. But for this month, we are having an unboxing video every single day, opening up one of the windows from the Effol Equestrian Advent Calendar. Isn't this thing awesome? Isn't this the coolest Advent calendar you've ever seen? I think so. All right, so it is December 9th, day number 9. Day number 9 is right down here in the corner. Did really good yesterday. Let's see how I do today. Ooh, I did good. Day number 9. Oh, it's another package. It's another one like yesterday. I can't get it out. These packages are tiny. Well, the opening is tiny. My fingers are too big. Ugh. Ugh. And December 9th, day number 9 in the Advent calendar is a summer hoof gel. And this hoof gel has light oils such as avocado oil, which helps to compensate for a lack of moisture in the hooves, which grow faster and are drier in the summertime. It promotes elasticity and strengthens the hoof horn. It's absorbed quickly, and as all of their other products, it is doping free, meaning no drugs in this, so it won't test if you take your horses to shows. And I know it's not summertime, but I want to open it anyway and smell it because that's what I like to do. Ooh, it is totally a gel. Totally a gel. Has a little bit of a scent to it. Ooh, it's pretty thick though. That's really nice. I'm going to test it out on my fingernails. It feels good on your cuticles. I bet it'll feel good on the horse's hoofs too. I will have to save this one until it's summertime, but actually, no I won't. It's pretty dry here right now, so I'm sure my horse's hooves could use a little bit of moisture. So I think I will go give this a try and see how it looks. Well, I am getting quite the collection of Effol products, and we're not even halfway done. Almost halfway done, but not quite. Are you convinced yet that this is a really cool Advent calendar? I am. And like I say every video about this time, if you want to watch me open the rest of the goodies in the Advent calendar, be sure to subscribe to my channel, and you can actually click on the playlist where I have all of these unboxing videos located. It is the Equestrian Advent Calendar playlist. And come back tomorrow for another door opening.